Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out the Pattern Beauty by Tracee Ellis Ross. If you guys don't know who she is, like, where have you been living? Are you living under a rock? Because she's popping. Okay, I got the leave-in conditioner, the styling cream, and then I also got, of course, the Stronghold Slick and Snatched gel. Oh, and this Turby Twist, I got it from Walmart. I'm honestly truly not really sure how much. I can't remember how much it was. If I can find it online, I'll leave the link to it in the description box. Maybe a little too much though, because I want to put the styling cream on my hair as well, just to see how that works out. But we'll see. We'll see. So this is my hair. I'm gonna take a little bit of this leave-in conditioner. It's lightweight, really lightweight. Well, as y'all can see, my hair product just sits on my hair. Like, where is it going? Moisture where? Moisture who? Don't know her. I figured I would go for a zigzag part, something different. So now I'm gonna take some of the styling cream for my low slick bun. I'm gonna do it in sections, of course. I'm going to apply some of the styling cream, not too much, probably about this much. Just to have a little moisture so the gel won't be so drying. I like these little lids, but they're kind of hard to take off. I don't like that. It's thick. So this is the gel. They all smell the same to me. This gel is thick, but it's not like, to me, it kind of feels like, it kind of reminds me of, what's that gel? The, damn. Kind of reminds me of the Style Factor gel, a little bit. But these are the curlies. If I were to do a wash and go, I think I may do a wash and go, so y'all stay tuned for that. But anyway, let's turn around and get this hair laid. I am going to apply some gel on my hair because I want the curls for the girls. Okay. Okay. So honestly, like, my hair feels really soft, but we'll see how the rest of it is.
Keep me far
Wait a minute. Y'all see my hair? It's not even in the ponytail hold. Like, look at this hold. Okay, strong hold. Come on, strong hold. Oh, okay, Tracee. Okay, Tracee. Okay, so hair is nice and slicked down. I will say that I don't think that my edges are going to survive. So I'm not gonna use the edge control though. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Okay, I'm just gonna let my hair do what it wants to do. You know, deep down in my spirit, I just feel like the edges just aren't gonna survive. Here's the back. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set my hair, do my makeup, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so here's the big reveal. Let's see.
No. He tried it.
Okay, so I figured my edges aren't going to be anything, but like, why it's, I honestly don't know what happened right here. Okay.
Cut the cameras. Dead end.
It says it has a strong hold, but I just feel like, for one, my hair is like, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like extremely frizzy. This part is doing whatever it wants to do. The edges just, they're just not laid. They just decided to not come to the party, which is fine. No big deal. You know, no big deal. The products are moisturizing. The gel is moisturizing. The styling cream is moisturizing. The leave-in is moisturizing. The products are moisturizing, okay? Now, as far as strong hold, the gel, it kind of doesn't live up to its name in a sense, because at first when I was, you know, laying my hair, it was laying down, and then it was like when I put my scarf on to lay it down, let it set, it said no ma'am, and that's fine. It's fine, you know, whatever. But yeah, it's gonna be a no for me. It's a no for me, but I like them. I mean, the curls are looking good. maybe it may be good for a wash and go, but a sleek style, I'm gonna have to give it a no. Like, my hair, it's not holding anything over here. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just my hair, but my hair, it's not holding any. It's the strong hold that was there, it's gone. It dissolved as well. I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't leave my scarf on long enough. Like, maybe I didn't let it set long enough. But anytime I do a sleek bun with any other gel, it works for my hair. So I'll try it for a wash and go and see what happens. See if I get better results. But as far as the sleek style, I'm gonna give it a no. I don't like that because I had high hopes. But it's cool, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. It's been a few hours since I last showed y'all my hair, and I went and ran a few errands and stuff, and look at this. Like, this part is already lifting. Look at the frizz. Whatever, I tried.